So welcome back everyone. Today I want to share with you a very simple, quick decorating tip. I purchased this faux plant in this pot from a thrift store, and I like the pot that it's in, but I don't always want to keep it out in this particular pot. Every now and then I want to be able to change it up, but the plant is affixed to the pot, so aside from painting it or something more permanent, it's going to look like this. Well, I don't want to change it permanently because I do like the look of the pot that it's in. So I'm going to share with you 3 ideas on how you can take a potted plant, specifically faux, and utilize it in different containers and get a different look out of each one of them. So the first container that we're going to use here is this large soup tureen, which I got from a thrift store as well. I love these. I have a few of them, and I think that they are beautiful for display, but they're also very, very resourceful. So what I'm gonna do, very easy, drop my plant inside, position it nicely, and there you go, you're done. But this would make a really nice centerpiece. It would look nice on a mantle, it would look nice on a side table, and it's taken this smaller potted plant and it's given it a larger scale. It's giving it more presence by putting it in this large soup tureen, and it's given it a whole new look. So oftentimes I will take this little potted plant and put it in here and make it look more grand and more substantial. Very easy, very simple, and I haven't done anything to permanently change my potted plant. So decor style number 2 is I have this white utensil caddy. Again, I'm gonna drop my plant down in there, and it has a whole new look. This one is a little bit taller, a little bit slimmer, but it's a little larger at the top. And when you look at the size of this little pot that this is in, it's very small. But when you put it in something larger, it gives it a more grander, more important appearance. So again, this is just simply a utensil caddy, and I've used it to put my little faux potted plant in. It's given it a whole new look. And lastly, I have this crock. It's a very heavy vintage crock, and I'm going to place my plant inside of here, and this is going to give me another look. And as you can see, this would look really, really nice with farmhouse or rustic style decor. You could even, with a crock like this, since this one's completely plain, it doesn't have anything on it, you could actually stencil something on the front. You could use a label. There's lots of different things you could do with it, but these are all different ways that you can utilize something as simple as a plant that's already in its own little pot, and you can put it in a different vessel. It's going to give it a different appearance each and every time that you do that. And especially if you have something that you don't want to change permanently. I like this little pot. I like the plant. I don't want to change it, but every now and then I want to change it up and give it a completely different style and a different look in my home. So I hope you've enjoyed these tips, and the next time that you have a potted plant and you can't figure out what to do with it, you'll snag something as simple as a crock or a soup tureen or a caddy, a utensil caddy, and you'll utilize it in a very different way. So be sure and subscribe to my channel. Check out my video description for links to all my social media sites, my Instagram, my Pinterest, my website, my AtHomeWithZane store. It's all in there. It's a one-stop shop. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll look for you the next time.